Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can vectorize an image in ChatGPT. So first of all, let me select image from my laptop, this one, and now here I need to type please generate vector format for attached image. Then press enter and it will take some time, and here you need to type please generate only image. So here you can see getting started, and we need to wait for a minute to see the result. So guys, here you can see vector form of images generated. So let me open this image and you can easily save this image on your laptop. Here you can see. So you don't need to learn any type of this skill to vectorize your image. Just you can easily change your simple image into the vector form using AI tools.